In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Dropbox folders with edit access. We'll do this directly on the Dropbox website, so it's simple, clear, and easy to follow. Start by opening your browser and going to dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and go to Folders. This view helps you see all the folders you've stored, so you can quickly find the one you want to share. Next, locate the folder you want to share and hover your mouse over it. When you hover, you'll see a few quick actions appear. Click the Share button. This opens the sharing options for that specific folder. In the sharing window, select Copy Link. If a link hasn't been created yet, Dropbox will generate one for you. This link is what you'll give to others so they can access the folder. After the link is generated, click Manage. This takes you to the link settings where you control what people can do when they open it. Now select Link for editing. Choosing this option means anyone who opens the link can make changes inside that folder. Edit access typically allows people to add new files, modify existing files, and even rename or remove items within the folder, so be sure you're comfortable granting that level of control. It's a great choice for collaboration with teammates or partners you trust. Once you've selected Link for editing, you're ready to share. You can copy your link and send it through email, chat, or any messaging tool you prefer. The people who receive it will have edit access to that folder as soon as they open the link. If you're working with a group, it can be helpful to include a short note explaining what they should edit or where to place new files, just to keep everything organized. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you share. Since this is an edit-enabled link, only share it with people you trust and who genuinely need to make changes. Depending on your plan, you may see additional link options in the Manage area, such as who can access the link or how long it stays active. Those settings can be useful if you want more control, but the key step here is making sure the link is set to editing. That's all there is to it. Go to dropbox.com, open folders, hover over your folder, click Share, choose Copy Link, click Manage, select Link for editing, and then share the link. Thanks for watching.